Blue base? Okay, no. So we'll just cycle through the different base colors. We want a yellow base color. No. Very strong no. Red base?
No.
Okay, no. Okay, purple.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so the last time we wanted to do the frozen, but the problem is with the frozen paints, it needs very delicate handling. And media guys are not the most delicate on colors. So they said that please no frozen paints because it won't last very long. Also, finally, we can also post this and the version that we get the most votes on, we'll probably put that into production. Okay? So, is this the color that we want to lock in? Techno Violet Metallic?
Samsung.
There's also the Pearl Effect Metallic. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, half a yes, half a no. You want to try something else? Sorry? Yeah, okay, but that's the frozen color which...
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the Daytona Violet Metallic. And it sounds, Daytona sounds also very cool, so we'll go with this. And now the next is, so this is basically the BMW individual colors. Daya, is Daya? Then where is the other? The main car configurator. So what we do is we will select a color that is kind of reflective of the violet, the Daytona. This one?
Lime green.
The lime green is already there now. We're doing the purple metallic. We're doing a purple metallic.
Yeah, this one?
Interior.
Okay, so we're just using this as the base color as a reference. We'll obviously be going with the Daytona Violet. Now wheels. Yes or no? This one? No. Okay. This one? This one?
No.
Black one, second one.
Second one. Second.
Second.
Yes, yes.
Yes? Yes? Okay, put your hands up for this one. Okay, now put your hands up for this one. Okay, so the earlier one has got more hands up. So we'll go with this.
Yay.
Okay, now next. Interiors. Okay, so here we can go a little nuts.
No.
Red. Violet, right? Exterior.
Yes.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, there's still more.
Tan.
This one?
No.
Tan color.
This one.
Can you show the tan? The next one. The next one left.
Yes, the brown. Yes, no.
No.
Violet.
Yeah, it's violet.
Okay, ivory white.
Same color.
Yes, yes.
Purple and white.
Okay.
Yes. Ooh.
Okay, interior carbon fiber finish free. So we'll go with that. It is what it is. Okay, so now we got the M shadow gloss line with. So basically that's the headlights with the black. So that's already selected. You want the shadow line back? Yes. Yeah, I think that looks good. So we can select that. Okay, next. Yep, and so that's the spec that we have. Obviously, ignore the blue. This is our exterior color, and the interior in the ivory white. Right. So stay tuned to the Evo India channel. We will once the car finally gets spec'd, we will do an unwrapping maybe by the end of the year or the early next year, and let's see how close we get to the spec that we done over here. Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you for your active participation and enthusiasm.